Welcome to LevelGEN tutorial. Let's run LevelGEN and create two sets of levels. One, conflict 1, pick a 0 point and place the markers. I will create another one, and LevelGEN suggests 11, but we'll change it to 2 and pick a point. You know what, let's delete those markers and we will create in a different layer with a different color. So let's go into 0 and pick volumes. One feature that we haven't discussed in the previous video is the select delete, which allows us to select either group to delete and just delete it. As you can see, we deleted the first group, so let's run LevelGEN again, create group 1 once more. Let's create another one, another layer with a color like this one, and pick a different 0 point. And first, we can align the markers. We can use recent alignment point or pick a point on the vertical gravity axis, or match, for example, this level marker to this one's alignment point, or a different set, or select someone. Let's just pick a point which will temporarily show a vertical yellow line and create select to which we will align to. Once we redraw, the line disappears, or even if we pan zoom. So let's run LevelGEN again, and I want to show you something that may happen. For example, if you move this group in a different, with its obviously with the elevation, for a different to a different location in AutoCAD, and we'll try to continue, for example this one, you'll see that it will ignore the new location. So what we can do is regenerate the group. So select, and you can see the set group number 1 was regenerated. So if we pick the same point, it will give us correct elevation data. So again, let's move those markers back to and region, because it still retains the same data. Even let's make sure it's working. So you can see it gives us the same elevation data, so we can delete. Also, we can match properties from a certain group to another one. Please note I'm using the word group instead for the same thing. So match, and we want to use the target marker and the reference marker. And as you can see, the darker changes the properties to the reference group. So if we, for example, change the block that we use and replace and even scale, resize, and now we're going to match, we're going to target and reference, and as you can see it even changes to the reference group block. So another one of the features is what happens when you want to use a group that has the 0 level somewhere in sea level. And this is where we use first set a name, let's give it differently, and instead of using the 0 point, we'll use the invisible. So pick a point, and we'll have to type the value of the elevation marker reference. So this is the point where we'll have 10 meters high. And if we place the block, you can see it really does it.